My name is Rajan. I am 58 years old and I was going through a very bad stage of obesity and my BMI was unbelievably high at the time when I consulted the doctor, Dr. Amit Garg, regarding this particular issue of my health. Because I was going through various problems like obesity, like diabetes, like hypertension, sleep apnea problem, then wheezing was there, then very high level of snoring was there, and then a couple of few problems which I was being medicated for almost 8 to 9 tablets a day, which gave me a lot of discomfort in my lifestyle which I was not used to. And I was suggested by one of my doctor friend only, who was a gastroenterologist, to have this surgery done. And I was given the little bit of clue that what this surgery is exactly. But I was not sure in my mind because surgeries itself has a very frightening name. And I was not very sure whether I should or I should not. But it took me a little time to make up my mind that whether I should go for it or not. But then slowly and gradually the problems kept on increasing, they kept on piling, and my entire day routine was absolutely off the shelf. I never used to feel very agile, I used to feel very low, because of that sleep apnea problem, I used to always have that very serious problem of being agile, and my business was also being harmed a lot with this. Then ultimately I did make up my mind according to the suggestion given by my doctor friend, and I went on this surgery conducted by Dr. Amit Garg at OJIS Hospital. And I was in a pretty bad state at that time. Then now after a time of almost 10 months, when I have been done by almost 32 kilos, my total lifestyle has changed, my feelings have changed, my overall agility has gone up manifold. I mean, a person who was not able to even walk for 1 furlong is now cycling for almost 30 kilometers a day with almost half an hour of yoga and various other activities. I mean, that tiredness, that all those things I've walked off. All my tablets are off the shelf now. I don't take medicines except for the vitamins and nutrients, whatever I have is all what I'm taking. And life has been back to normal again. Rather getting compliments from various know-hows and friends and customers has been pretty much a part of life from the past almost 4 or 5 months from the time this lockdown is open.
What about your sleep apnea?
Absolutely down. I don't have the sleep apnea problem at all.
So earlier you were using that machine?
Initially when I bought that machine, I did use it, but then because of the discomfort, I discontinued using it, and I deepened the trouble of sleep apnea. For the reason I ultimately made up my mind to get this surgery done. And now things are okay. I'm very fine, and I would suggest anyone who is going through this issue of obesity, the severe obesity, there is not a second thought about going through and having this surgery done. Immediately consulting for this surgery, and I don't think so a better person than him, Dr. Amit Garg, is the one who's actually competent, and I think so far as my experience is concerned, I've really had a very nice experience over as a hospital concern, and his guidance and the way he has been telling me to go about my entire lifestyle now. Well, things have been way different now, and I would suggest everyone who's been into this trouble just to get away with this, because zindagi roz to milti nahi. You don't get this life back again, so why not enjoy it? Thank you very much.